Could another planet be like Earth? What if another Earth is out there, quietly orbiting some distant star, lost among the trillions of planets in the universe? Could such a planet harbor life, or even mirror the beauty of our own world? These questions have fascinated humanity for centuries, stirring both scientific curiosity and existential wonder. Today, as we look farther into the cosmos than ever before, we journey into the mystery of whether another Earth might exist. Earth is, undeniably, an extraordinary planet. It stands as an oasis in the vast, cold expanse of space, a perfect cradle for life. Its blue oceans, lush greenery, and breathable atmosphere all form a delicate balance. But is Earth truly unique? Or could it be one of many planets capable of supporting life, scattered like hidden jewels across the cosmos? This video seeks to uncover what makes Earth special, and whether those qualities could exist elsewhere. Could there be other Earths waiting to be found, tantalizingly close yet still out of reach? To find another planet like Earth, we first need to understand what makes Earth so suitable for life. Among the key ingredients is liquid water, the foundation of all known life. For this, a planet must sit in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, that perfect distance from its star where conditions are not too hot and not too cold. Add in a stable atmosphere, a protective magnetic field, and a solid surface where life could take root, and you have the building blocks of what we call an Earth-like planet. But how do we find such planets? And how do we even begin to identify their unique qualities from light years away? The search for other Earths begins with exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our sun. In the past few decades, astronomers have discovered a staggering number of them, over 5,000 to date. Technological marvels like the Kepler Space Telescope and now the James Webb Space Telescope allow us to detect these distant worlds with surprising precision. How is this done? For starters, astronomers look for tiny shifts in a star's light, caused when a planet passes in front of it, a method known as the transit technique. Data from these transits offer clues about the planet's size, orbit, and even its atmosphere. Imagine detecting an entire world by analyzing a mere flicker of light from an impossibly far distance. It's a modern marvel that feels almost like magic. Once we've identified a planet, how can we tell if it's Earth-like? The first thing we check is its position in relation to its star. Like Goldilocks searching for the perfect porridge, a planet must be neither too close to its star nor too far. Get too close, and the heat will boil away any water. Stray too far, and everything freezes into a lifeless wasteland. Far from being a simple concept, the Goldilocks zone varies from star to star, depending on the star's size and temperature. For example, red dwarf stars, a common type in our galaxy, have much smaller habitable zones, but they are still valid candidates for Earth-like planets. Beyond water, a stable atmosphere is critical for a planet's habitability. Our own atmosphere does more than provide oxygen. It regulates temperature, blocks harmful radiation, and creates the conditions necessary for life to thrive. To find another Earth, scientists analyze the faint light of a planet's atmosphere during a transit, breaking it down into its chemical components. What might they find? Could distant worlds have atmospheres rich with oxygen, like ours, or entirely different compositions beyond our understanding? The mystery deepens when you realize just how hard it is to decode atmospheric signatures from light years away. Technology has already given us tantalizing glimpses into the possibilities. Take Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. This planet is located in the habitable zone of its star and is remarkably similar in size to Earth. Another fascinating system is TRAPPIST-1, a solar system 40 light-years away that hosts 7 rocky planets, 3 of which orbit in the habitable zone. These worlds, like puzzle pieces from a cosmic mystery, show us that Earth-like planets may be far more common than we once imagined. This question lies at the heart of the search. Could any of these planets harbor life? On Earth, life thrives in even the harshest conditions, deep under the ocean, in searing deserts, or frozen in the Arctic. This resilience suggests that life elsewhere may not need Earth's exact conditions to exist. On distant planets, microbial life may flourish under alien skies, or even complex ecosystems might thrive, completely unlike anything we know. But could intelligent beings also exist out there, perhaps looking up at their own stars and pondering the same questions we do? Beyond the search for life, humanity also dreams of the possibility of living on one of these planets. Could we one day call another Earth home? The challenges are immense. Distances to these planets are measured in light years, so vast that even our fastest spacecraft would take tens of thousands of years to reach the closest candidates. However, the idea of creating technology advanced enough to reach, explore, or even terraform such planets remains an exciting possibility. If Earth ever faces a catastrophe, could one of these planets offer a second chance for our survival? One of the most fascinating aspects of this search is imagining what we might find. Would an alien Earth mirror our lush green hills and vast blue oceans? Or would life evolve in completely different ways? Perhaps a world dominated by red-hued plants under a dimmer, cooler star. Or a desert planet covered with vast rocky plains, dotted with oases of life. The possibilities stretch imagination to its limits, reminding us just how little we truly know about the universe. The search for another Earth is not just about astronomy or science. It's deeply tied to our sense of identity. What would it mean for humans to know that Earth is not unique? Would finding another planet with life answer eternal questions about our origin and purpose? Or would it raise new ones? The implications of such a discovery ripple across science, philosophy, and even religion. It's as much a quest for meaning as it is a hunt for worlds. Thankfully, scientists are not slowing down. Upcoming missions, like the European Space Agency's Ariel mission, aim to study exoplanet atmospheres in unprecedented detail. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to revolutionize our understanding of distant worlds. With each new discovery, the dream of finding another Earth grows just a little closer. More than anything, the search for an Earth-like planet captures the essence of human curiosity. We are wanderers by nature, explorers who cannot help but wonder what lies beyond the horizon. This quest is about more than finding a planet. It's about understanding our place in the universe and connecting with something far greater than ourselves. Could another Earth be hiding on the far side of the universe, orbiting an unknown star? Could it hold life, perhaps even intelligent beings looking skyward, just as we do? These questions may not have answers yet, but they drive us to keep searching, to keep dreaming. If Earth isn't unique, imagine the stories other worlds might hold. What secrets might they whisper to us from across the stars? One day, we may finally discover the answers. Until then, the universe will continue to beckon. A vast and mysterious expanse filled with infinite possibilities,